Will stocks hit a new all-time high? Good morning, everyone. This is Ahmed Saleh, and this is the weekly market recap. The key messages for this week is that the market is showing strength, ending the week very strongly thanks to a good job report. We are now at the resistance of 6,000 in the S&P 500. Crossing this will lead to achieving an all-time high. Still, with all this strength, just be ready. Anything can happen. And now to the details. The S&P 500 had a very good run last week. We are now at the 6,000. We cannot say that the 6,000 resistance was broken. If we break this, we can achieve the all-time high of 6,150. So this is a major milestone will be. It can happen next week, but just be ready in case of any bad news and the stocks went down. The exit will be at the break of the 21 days moving average at 5,900. Last week, it was a very good week despite of the fight between Trump and Musk. Tesla was down 14%, but despite that, the market was doing very good. We achieved an average of 1.5 to 2% across all the four major indices. And we ended the week very strongly thanks to the news on China-US meeting and the good job report that we had. The job report showed that the economy is very strong. Unemployment is still at 4.2%, which is very strong. Year to date, we are now positive 1 to 2%, except the Russell that is lagging. From the top, we are only 2 to 3% away from the all-time high. We have a chance to break it next week. Just be ready in case that this was not achieved because it is a strong resistance. So we might hit it and go down. Next week, on Monday, we have the China-US trade talk that will happen in UK. So this news can have a good impact on the market, especially if there was a deal. On Wednesday, we have the CPI, a very important report. We're expecting 2.5%. It is above the 2.3% that was scored in April. If we get 2.5 or lower, it can be a good news for the market. We just have two companies that will announce next week, Oracle on Wednesday and Adobe on Thursday. My trading strategy is still the same. I'm buying the companies that are breaking out. Microsoft now is breaking out from the all-time high. I'm also trading the companies that are breaking out from a base. And the third strategy is to keep an eye on the utilities. They were correcting last week after the huge jump, but maybe they will continue to go up again. I will post another video about 20 stocks that I'm trading. So keep an eye on that. Thank you very much. Have a profitable trade, everyone.